How to make a giant pot of comfort this winter, or one pot lasagna. Just a few ingredients make a meal that feels like a hug. Start with 93% lean ground beef that is browned with chopped zucchini, breaking it up into small pieces as it cooks. Add your preferred tomato sauce and water, then season with salt and pepper. Stir together and bring to a boil. Now remove the pot from the heat. Stir in bow tie pasta and dollop heaping spoonfuls of ricotta on the top. And this is the most relaxing part. Gently swirl the ricotta on top of the sauce without stirring it in. It's so pretty. We now cover and bake for 10 minutes. And while it's in the oven, chop fresh basil. It adds so much bright fragrance and should not be skipped. Before that, sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top and go back into the oven for 7 to 10 more minutes. Then it's time to sprinkle the basil and get to scooping. And we are all settling into the warmth of this one pot lasagna thanks to delicious, nutritious beef.